right, good morning. We are currently going to be heading to the inner parts of Des Moines. We will get there and we'll get started on the work. Hold up for a little bit. We'll be right back. All right, we are now in Des Moines. We are going to be doing a panel restoration. We're going to be doing a update on the grounding system. We are going to be putting up a new light, which is going to be right there. We're going to be replacing it with a new one. And then afterwards, we're going to be running a line into a garage for the car charger. And then after that, we are going to be adding an outlet for a toilet. So with that, let's get started. To be where you came to do. Cool. It looks like it's going to move every time somebody's motion, so
that'll make the lady happy.
All right, sorry about that. My co-worker Frank is here. He is helping me. He's going to be going down in the basement right now, drilling holes for the wire for the EV charger. And EV is an electric vehicle. We are going to be going through. I'm going to be doing the grounding system right here. If you already see the ground wire, you see the ground rods already. What I'm going to be doing is digging a path from here to here, right up onto here, so that way I could get a ground wire into there and update the grounding system. So while I'm doing that, say hi, Frank.
Hello, Frank.
As you see, he's already started on getting the holes drilled. We are going to be going from here on up over there. And we're going to be going down through here, right over here to the other side out to the garage. So you're going to be watching him. Frank, I leave you in charge of the camera.
Oh man.
Because you got the more exciting things down here.
Oh, okay.
What? All right, just a quick reminder. We just got done with this one job for the panel restoration. We got the panel restored, new breakers. We got a whole new grounding system in. The old one was inefficient, only with one deal going on. And then with that in mind, we also replaced the backyard floodlight. We installed the car charger, and with that in mind, we had a lot of fun. We had laughs, and these are the customers that know that we mean business, but at the same time, want to have fun as well. But anyways, everyone, have a good day. We'll see you next week.